Hello everyone. So today in this video I want to share something special with you. Okay. So if you have watched previous shorts of mine, okay, then I have uploaded the photos of mine on the day I was born. Okay. So I hope you must have remembered this photo. Okay, so I have made a shot on this photo here. So this is the photo of the day when I was born. Okay, and this photo was taken on the same day as I was born, and this is the first cloth I wear. Okay, let me show you the another photo as well. So there are another photos as well. So see this one as well. Okay, so this is of the same day as well. I am wearing the same cloth. Okay, I am wearing the same cloth of my first cloth. This is the first cloth that I ever wear. Okay, and this cloth is very special for me. Okay, because this is the first one I have wear here. Okay, and my parents has always preserved this cloth. Okay, my parents has always preserved this cloth for me, and I have preserved this cloth as well. So today in this video I want to show you the cloth itself. See, so this is the cloth. Now basically everything is not survived, everything not survived, only the lower part, only the lower part has survived here. This is 27 years old. Okay, because I am 26, 27 years old, almost 27 years old. So this is also that much old. This is the, see, this is the same cloth that I wear, and this cloth is very important for me. It has a lot of value for me because this is the first one I wear, and my parents preserved it for a long time, then I preserved it as well. Okay, and yes, I wanted to share it with you. I wanted to show it with you in this video here, the first cloth that I ever wear. Thank you very much.